Yeah, we're back again. I'm back again. Subscribe because I'm gonna forget it. But yeah, man, keep up. Today, I'm gonna talk about, why it's beneficial for yourself to have your own um, personal characters. You can just, and creating your own personal characters, because you can just create your own world and you get better at your drawing because you're drawing them so many times. You get better with your animation because you'll be animating your personal characters, and also you'll like gauge their world better and everything starts compiling. Also, your storytelling gets better. So here's I'll go for it real quick. So far, this is from Efro and Friends. This story is gonna be about Spike, Spike and the Stork. So it's a spin-off of like Jack and the Beanstalk. So Spike's gonna be, and that's what I'm saying about like having your own stories. You can remix other people's stories, but it's just to make your characters more relevant and your storytelling better and your animations better. Also, like because you be directing it, so what shots you're gonna take and all these just from one thing, all of these extras are coming out of it. So far what I'm doing is just so this is probably going to be like the thumbnail for this video, so I'm just finishing this up. But I'm going to show you some of the rough animation that I did, and I did all of it today. And that's the other thing as well, like once you have your own personal characters, again, it's not something that you have to draw every day. I don't draw them every day, but just the fact that you're drawing every day and you're animating every day, your drawing gets better. Like I remember animating just something as simple as like a jump, or like a character opening a flask to drink their tea. That would take me like that would take me like 2 days. And I'm going to show you today what I've done in basically obviously in one day, but it's not finished, so it's still in the rough, but I'll show you. But that's the beauty of it. So what I'm saying is just, and there's a motivation for similar like-minded people to keep going, because you're going to progress. It's coming. Just bear with me a moment though, and let me just finish this up, and then I'll get to showing you where we're at with this Spike and Stork story. So it's a really cool story, I mean, it's like a twist from Jack and the Beanstalk. Yeah, so I gotta pay homage to Jack and the Beanstalk for inspiring me to remix it, and was not meant to do that, but we just did that anyway. Okay, let me just get this over and done with, and then we're gonna get to rocking. Yeah, so let me know if you guys have your own original characters, your own intellectual properties. Let me know if you have your own like stories as well. Share them, because it's good, similar people on a similar. It's just motivation, isn't it? So you see everybody who's doing the same thing that you are doing, but on different levels, and some of it is like where you've passed, and others is where you can get to. So it's always motivational. Like, don't, like, a lot of people are, oh yeah, nah, they get put down, but just think to yourself like, oh, that's just me in the future. Do you see what I'm saying? You're just early, so it's like, that's not you yet. Just look at it like, if I continue, that's me in the future. Right? Cool. Let's get it where we're at. Okay, so you can see this here. I'll play it for you. So it opens the fridge, nothing there, hungry tummy, no Uber Eat money. He hits the old man. Runs to him like, oh my god, I'm sorry, man. I wasn't supposed to. But it was alright, man. Hey guys, some beans. The old dark fella, man. And then he wakes up, like, what the heck just happened? And then he remembers he got the beans, starts planting the seed, and then that's how far we got so far. I know, back in the day, if I tried to do that, and this is just the rough, that the rough would have took me a couple of days, because I've done acting, there's like acting in there, you know? So yeah. This is just the rough, and then I'll keep you guys posted when the clean's about, and then I'll go from there. So this one's just like a short video. Love for everyone showing love, and I'm out. You know, connect.